Unpacking, Up Sticks and Leave, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, up sticks and leave. This idiom might sound a bit odd at first, but it's quite common in everyday English conversations. So, if you're ready to expand your vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, let's get into it. The phrase, up sticks and leave, is a British idiom that means to leave a place suddenly or to move from one's current residence with the intention of not returning. The sticks in this expression refer to the stakes or pegs of a tent, implying the action of pulling them out of the ground in preparation to move. This idiom captures the essence of picking up everything one owns and moving to a new location, often quickly and without much prior notice. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us remember and use them more effectively. The phrase, up sticks and leave, dates back to the times when people lived in more temporary dwellings, like tents, which were literally held up by sticks or poles. When they decided to move, they would up sticks, or pull the stakes out of the ground, signaling their departure. Over time, this literal action turned into a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of leaving, especially abruptly. Now, let's look at some examples of how you can use up sticks and leave in everyday conversations or writing. 1. After realizing they needed a change, they decided to up sticks and leave for a new city. 2. He wasn't happy with his job anymore, so he upped sticks and left without looking back. 3. They've always been adventurous, so it didn't surprise anyone when they upped sticks and left for another country. Notice how the phrase can be used to describe both physical moves from one place to another and more figurative leaps, such as changing jobs or lifestyles. While up sticks and leave is quite popular, there are other variations and similar expressions you might hear. For example, pack up and leave, or pull up stakes. Each of these phrases conveys a similar sense of leaving or moving on, but up sticks and leave holds a uniquely British flavor that might not be found in other variations. And there you have it. You now understand what up sticks and leave means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, making English a rich and enjoyable language to learn. We hope this video has been helpful and has added another useful expression to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.